All right. So we'll be answering this question on indices. 16 over 81 raised to power minus 3/4, 3 over 4. Now, you can pause this video, attempt it, and then you now play the video and then see the answer that I'll provide at the end. So you pause the video, attempt it, comment your answer, and then you come and see how I've solved my own. You can also share your own solution or the method you use. I'll be willing to also engage with you. Now, to solve this question here, it has a negative power. So I must correct that before applying that of the bracket rule or the product rule. So to remove this power here, which is negative, I'm going to apply this rule here that says a negative power means 1 over that. So it's going to be something like this. 1 divided by 16 over 81, all of that raised to power 3 over 4. Good. That's the first thing. What becomes of the second thing? The second thing I will now be able to do is to work with the powers. Now watch, whenever you see a fraction of the power, which law do you apply? This law. This law says that take the n roots of it and then put it all by the power of the numerator. The law says if you have something as b over n, you are going to do something. You do the n root of a, all these b. Take that n and make it as a root. And then take the numerator and put it as a product. What do I mean? In this case, our A is everything that we see in bracket 16 over 81. Our B is 3. Our N is 4 because B over N is 3 over 4. So anywhere you see B, you replace it with 3. Anywhere you see N, you replace it with 4. Anywhere you see A, replace it with 16 over 81. So that you're going to have. You have something that looks like this. 1 over 16 over 81. All of these, so let me remove this bracket so it makes it easier. So the root is the fourth root, and then all of these here raised to power 3. Now let's decode this. When we say the fourth root of something, we mean what number must you multiply 4 times to get 16? And what number must you multiply 4 times to get 81? For 16, the fourth root of 16 means if you do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, this is going to give you 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. So the fourth root of 16 is 2. How about 81? It is simply if you do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 in 4 places. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81. So the fourth root of 16 is 2. The fourth root of 81 is 3. So simple, I can still say here 1 over the fourth root of 16 is 2. The fourth root of 81 is 3. All of this raised to power 3. Now, I'm going to apply this product here. This means 1 over 2 raised to power 3 over 3 raised to power 3. This law that says that if you have a, b, all power n, it means take each of them and put it by that product. So I open that bracket, 2 by power 3 and 3 by power 3. This will be 1 over 2 to power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. And then over 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. So I'll have something that looks like this. If I'm going to show you in detail, step by step. So what are we going to have? 1 divided by 8 over 27. Now, in fraction here in mathematics, whenever we change this from division to multiplication, we are going to invert the second fraction. That will mean 1 times, this goes up, 27 over 8. Final answer, 27 times 1, 27. 8 times 1, 8. So that is the answer. So look at it again, pause the video at intervals and go through it.